Hey there, I'm Megan with WTI, and how many of you hate messy cords on your kitchen counter? I most definitely do, and there are certain appliances in my kitchen that I don't use every single day, so I don't always need them to be plugged in. And so I found this cool little hack. You gotta check out these cord organizers for kitchen appliances. They come in a set of 6 and there are 3 colors, 2 of each, white, gray, and black. That way you can match the cord organizer to the appliance so it blends in a little bit better. I used a black cord organizer on my Ninja. All you have to do is peel and stick. It immediately adheres, and then you can wrap your cord around the center, and there's even a little notch in the middle to hold the end in place. That way you can tuck your appliances on your counter, the cords are out of the way, and you have beautiful, clean, smooth lines. So if you're like me and you love clean lines, definitely check out these cord organizers for your kitchen appliances. And that's my point of view.